More than waffles. Make your favorite breakfast classics, or get creative with waffled hash browns, cookies and even biscuit pizzas. Any batter will waffle into single-serving portions. Great for families or on the go. Mini is mighty. With a 4 inches nonstick cooking surface, this is a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm, or camper RV and stores easily in a kitchen cabinet or drawer. WAFFLY easy. Simply plug it in and go. The waffle maker heats up in minutes. Dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results and delicious golden waffles every time. Non-stick surfaces make cleanup a snap. Perfect gift. The perfect wedding or new home gift, the waffle maker's small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Add to your registry now. Includes. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker includes one mini waffle maker and recipe guide so you can get cooking right away. Top reviews from the United States. Game changer for diabetics. I've had this about a week and have used it every day. I am a type 2 diabetic and I was buying low-carb bread, which is expensive, not very good, and still spike my glucose levels. I read online about chaffles, which is short for cheese waffles, and nearly every recipe I encountered recommended this Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Chaffles have 2 ingredients, eggs and shredded cheese, so no carbs. They don't taste like what you think they would, and you can add to almond flour for fluffier waffles, Italian seasoning, etc. They are the perfect size for sandwiches or burger buns, taco shells, etc., and you can make them in a batch and store in the refrigerator for later. To summarize, easy, fast, and nutritious, it's not an exaggeration to say this will lower glucose levels of anyone with diabetes. I highly recommend this product to anyone on a diabetic, keto, paleo, or any kind of low-carb diet. You'll thank me.